Chris says, I feel like my vacations are escapes and treats, and I used to pack gluttonously. All the outfits, all the options, all the scenarios, all the looks. Well, again, okay, so this is another thing I like to bring up because, yes, while we like to pack light, the reason I talk about packing light is because having a lot of luggage tends to detract from my experience. I hate struggling with it. I hate dealing with it. I hate paying for it. I hate waiting for it. I hate carrying it. So for me, the benefit of having less stuff far outweighs the benefit of having more things. So if you're going on this luxurious getaway and you feel like this is like your only chance to, really indulge and like dress up and do all the things, and that's more important to you, then, that's a time where you may not want to pack light, and that's okay. As long as having all that stuff and managing it isn't, adding a lot of stress and burden to your, supposed vacation, right? Yeah. So you just really have to weigh, the benefit and the cost. But as you learned, Chris, from taking our packing class, you can actually get a lot of treats and a lot of joy in a small packing space. You just have to think differently about how you do it. You can have a lot of outfit variations. You can have backups for certain scenarios and not be packing everything in the kitchen sink, right? So it really comes down to just thinking differently about the things that you do think are treats, maybe how you get them, maybe buying something when you arrive at your destination will be more fun. It'll be like a little event, that you're really like splurging and enjoying yourself, right? Love the perspective. Yes.